Hello, good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to your social studies class. Today we will be doing the revision of chapter 2 Early Humans 1. You have to listen to this video very carefully because this chapter is coming into your July exams. So please listen to it very carefully. In this chapter, we will be studying that how early humans used to live during that time, during the ancient time. They used to live a very simple and a primitive life. In early stages, humans were hunters and gatherers, and they were also nomads, always on the move. They traveled from one place to another in search of food, water, and shelter. They hunted wild animals and they used to gather fruits, roots, nuts, and seeds, whatever they get from the plants. When these resources of plant and animal used to get exhausted at one place, they used to move to another place to search for it. Stone Age is divided into three periods: Paleolithic or Old Stone Age, Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age, Neolithic or New Stone Age. Paleolithic Stone Age, here the humans were hunters and gatherers. They used to live a simple life. They were nomads. They used the stone tools that were used were mostly made up of stone only. Here simple stone tools were used on. Then comes the Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age. During Mesolithic Stone Age or Middle Stone Age, the stone tools that were used, they were also called microliths. These tools were much chipped and sharper than the stone tools. Apart from stone, they started using animal bones and horns also to make their tools. Then these tools were much sharper and efficient than the tools that were used in Paleolithic age. Then came the Neolithic or New Stone Age. During this time, further improvement was brought in the variety of tools. These tools were much sharper than the ones that were used in Mesolithic age. They were more polished and sparkle. By the end of Neolithic age, their lifestyle started changing. They started domesticating animals, they started settling in tribes, they started settling in permanent houses. Now they started doing farming also. They started cultivating their own crops. So their lifestyle have been changed over the period of the three stone ages. Early humans made tools of stone. They chipped stone so that they could be used as tools. These stone tools were used for different tasks. They were used to cut trees, to scrap the bark of trees, to dig the ground, to hunt animals, to chop meat, fruits, and wood. So these stone tools were basically used for many different tasks. First technique is stone on stone. In this, the stone to be shaped into a tool was held in one hand and the another stone was held in other hand. The second stone was used to strike the first till the first stone acquired the desired shape. You can see in this image one stone they are holding at one hand and they are hitting that other stone with the first stone. So till the time the shape is achieved, they used to hit the first stone with the other stone. Second technique is pressure flaking. In this technique, pressure is exerted. See one stone in this image, you can see that they have kept a sharpened stone on a flat surface like a rock. Then from the other's hand, they are exerting pressure from the other stone. Okay, so this is they are exerting pressure till the time this stone achieve the desired shape. They will exert pressure on the sharpened stone. So these are the two techniques of tool making. One is stone on stone and the second one is pressure flaking. One of the greatest discoveries made by early humans was of fire. It will be never be known how this happened, but fire proved to be very useful for early humans. What are the uses of fire? It provided them light to keep them warm in the cold wintry season. Then second one, they used to lit fire in front of their houses to scare away wild animals. Third use is they used to cook food. By using fire, they started cooking their food. This invention of fire, which accidentally happened, it proved to be a major boost for early men to evolve or to change their lifestyle, what they are today, what we are today. So this is a very important change or discovery that have changed the history of early humans. Early humans used to paint on cave walls and in rock shelters. Bhimbetka, that is present in Madhya Pradesh, is a very famous for prehistoric rock painting. It is a very famous prehistoric site. Here, almost 750 rocks are covered with paintings. These paintings used to depict the daily life scenes of their everyday life, like men are hunting, right? Children playing, women cooking food. These kind of scenes can be seen. And then they used to paint, they used to even paint the animals, hunting of animal pictures are painted on the walls. You can see in the image. Hunski and Bechbal Valley, these are the two important prehistoric sites that are present in Deccan or south part of India. A large number of stone tools have been discovered here by archaeologists. So these are some important topics from this chapter that you have to prepare for your July exam. I hope this revision will prove beneficial for you. Please read the chapter thoroughly so that each and every point should be covered. If you have any query, please write to me in the comment box, and please, whenever you are watching the videos, do mention your name and section so that I can keep a record who all are watching my video. Thank you for watching, students. Take good care of yourself.